Today we are free. Would like to present about a mini project, smart home with security system. My name is Muhammad Al-Shahdan bin Muhammad Abdul Nasser. My matrix number is 20 DE 19F1038.
My name Emishar Izwan bin Abdul Rahman. My matrix number 20 DEE 19F1047.
My name is Delvic bin Uno and my matrix number is 20 DE 19F1048.
My name is Eric Viali, Ropia. My matrix number is 20 DE 19 F1030.
My name is Ryan Randy Charles. 20. My matrix number is 20 DE 19 F1041. Oh.
Hello?
I can see the slide introduction.
Ready, Yao.
For introduction, home automation allow us to manage household appliances as light, door, fan, and air conditioner. It also allow us to active home security and emergency system. Home automation refer to not just reducing human labor but also increasing energy efficiency and saving time. For about the report project for this little project, we will create a home security system. All of the small security system will be controlled by a PLC microcontroller PSC 18F45K22 and coding. The term home security system refer to a system that is used to reserve our house or property. It is mostly utilized to preserve our privacy and to keep our life secure.
The objective for this mini project is its goal is to increase the of life and convenience in the house, as well as the safety and security of the residents. Smart home apps frequently guarantee that energy is used more efficiently. When considering acquiring a security system, there are three goals that the equipment should achieve. These goals include reducing break-ins, securing your belongings, and avoiding danger. The purpose for this mini project is the primary goal of home automation and security is to assist handicapped and older persons by allowing them to operate household equipment and alerting them in crucial situations.
For the scope, there are several straightforward connected security solutions for the smart home that are low-cost alternative for every minute of every day's managed security system. Wi-Fi enabled camera, app compaying, movement sensor, and smoke warning will all be controllable from home via video food, email, and text-based notification.
The smart home with security. AutoGate sensor to close gate. Auto water pump system sensor to active water pump when the water is low. A sensor to close the water pump when the water is full. Indoor or outdoor lighting. Daylight sensor to on and off indoor light. Daylight sensor to on and off outdoor light.
Okay, for the block diagram for this mini project, the first one is AutoGate sensor. For the input, we have RC3, RC4, and for the output, we must have RC3 and RC4. And for the second diagram, for the indoor and outdoor lighting, for the input, we must use RC0 and RC1, and the output is LED red and LED green. And the third diagram is for auto water pump. The input we must use RB1 and RB2, and for the output we must use LED1, LED2, and buzzer.
For the AutoGate flowchart, if the S5 is 1 and the S6 is 0, port C bits.rc3 equal to 1 and RC4 equal to 0. Else if the S5 is 1 and the S6 is also 1, RC3 will be 0 and RC4 will be 1. Else, the RC3 and RC4 will be 0. And for the auto water pump, if the S1 is 1 and S2 is 0, LED1 will be 1, LED2 will be 0, and the buzzer will be 1. Else, if S1 is 1 and S2 is also 1, LED 0 and buzzer will be 0 and LED2 will be 1. Else, LED1, LED2 and buzzer will be 0. For the indoor and outdoor lighting, If the S3 is 1 and S4 is 0, LED green will be 1 and LED red will be 0. Else, if S3 is 1 and S4 is 1, LED green will be 0 and LED red will be 1. Else, if S3 is 1 and S4 is also 1, LED green will be 1 and LED red will be 1. Else, LED green and 0 will be 0.
This is the coding that we use for this mini project. And this is the circuit for this mini project. Okay, that's all from us today. Thank you.
Good morning to Sir Gordon. I am Delvic from Group C, and today I am going to show our circuit. And the first circuit is for the indoor-outdoor lighting, and we use the daylight sensor to sense daylight to turn on and off the light. If the sensor senses any daylight, it will turn off the LED, and if it didn't sense any daylight, it will turn on the LED. For the red LED is for the outdoor light, and the green LED is for the indoor light. And the second one is for the auto water pump system. S1 is to detect if water is low, and S2 is to detect if the water is full. If S1 detects if the water is low, it will activate the water pump and the buzzer. And if S2 detects if the water is full, it will stop the water pump. And for the third circuit is for the auto gate system. S6 is to open the gate and S5 is to close the gate. If the S6 senses our presence, it will open the gate by turning clockwise, and if the S5 senses our presence, it will close the gate by turning anti-clockwise. If both of the switches are on and both of the sensors detect anything, it will act as an emergency system. That's all for me. Thank you.